Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another clean with me video for y'all. This video will be mainly music with just a little bit of talking for those of you who don't like a lot of talking. Everything is pretty much straightforward, so it shouldn't be too hard to follow.
I don't wanna be alone. Spend too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I'm all in with my mind. Will you ever call me back? How am I supposed to go if we never said goodbye? Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the worst of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Hey, yeah.
My husband and I went for a long walk the other day with our big dog looking for deer sheds in the woods and the fields, and we walked through a lot of mud, so my boots got really muddy that day. So I'm just going to continue now giving those a really good scrub.
Movies make it look so easy. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Oh, hey, yeah. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house. And I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your
If you're wondering what I'm doing here, my dogs went to town tearing up their toys the other night, and there are pieces all over the house. So you're gonna see me crawling all over the floor in this video, picking it all up.
side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me. In my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls.
During our walk the other day, my big dog was running through just about every stream in the woods that he could find, so he was super muddy and had to get a bath when he got home. So the bathroom is a complete wreck, so I'm gonna clean all that up and give the tub a really good scrub.
False advertising. You are not meant for me, still not surprising. Need no apologies, cause I just don't really care what you think, what you think, what you think. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. Ain't no fun recognizing your mistake. Got me like ooh, feels like ooh. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from my savior. Just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from my savior.
Now I'm gonna finish up cleaning by folding a load of laundry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Over me.